So, seafood restaurant selling prawn and squid. Azim asked to buy prawn and squid. Restaurant give Azim 1,200, 3/4 to buy prawn and squid. So, we know to buy prawn and squid, he has 1,200, 3/4 of the money, which is equal to 900 to buy both. Alright. Price per kg of prawn is 30 ringgit and squid is 20 ringgit. The squid must be more than prawn. Okay, so we have price. The squid must be more than prawn by at least 6 kg. So this is the second. And the mass of the squid should not be more than 4 times of the prawn mass. So this is third. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So we know, so 30 ringgit of prawn plus 20 ringgit of squid should be less than or equal to 900 because we only have 900. So this squid must be more than prawn for at least 6 kg. So we know squid minus prawn should be more than 6. So squid is y minus x should be larger than. So at least 6 kg means larger and equal to 6. The mass of the squid should not be more than 4 times of the prawn mass. So the mass of squid, which is y, should not be more, means should be less than 4 times of prawn. So 4x. So we have 3 linear inequalities. So scale of 2 cm to 2 kg on x-axis, 2 cm to 5 kg on y-axis. Construct and shade the region R which satisfy the above constraint. So to shade, we need to create the line. So 30x plus 20y should less than 900. Y minus x should be larger than 6 and y should less than 4x. So 2 cm to 2 kg on x-axis and 2 cm to 5 kg on y-axis. Construct the and shade which satisfy the constraint. So 2 to 2 on x and 2 to 5 on y-axis. So we see here 2 cm to 2 unit on x and 2 cm to 5 kg on y. So this is kg. So when we construct, we can see this is 0. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, with 20 the furthest, and then for y we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 the furthest. So this one is x and this one is y. Now you can find point so that you can plot on the graph. So you can see maximum x is 20 and maximum y is 40. So make sure when you get the point, you will still within the range. So 1, we see 30x plus 20y is equal to 900. So when x is equal to 0, 20y is equal to 900 and 9 is equal to 900 divided by 20, which is equal to 45. But you see before, when we plot, so x should be lower than 20 and y should be lower than 40. So make it within this range. So you see here, this one is quite large. So get a smaller value. So for example, if x is equal to 10, then 310 plus 20y is equal to 900. So 20y is equal to 900 minus 300. So y is equal to 600 divided by 20, which is equal to 30. So if x is equal to 10, then y is equal to 30. So first point we have, for first one we have x is 10 and y 30. So if x is equal to, so another point, like if y is equal to 0, then 30x is equal to 900. X is equal to 900 divided by 30, which is equal to 30. So we get this point when 30 and 0. So x 30, so you see x should less than 20. 30 is quite large, so you take another point which can fit in the graph. So if y is equal to 30, then 30x plus 20 times 30 is equal to 900. So 30x is equal to 900 minus 600. So x is equal to 300 divided by 30, which is equal to 10. So if y is 30 and 10. So we have y second, y minus x is equal to 6. So if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. But we cannot make y is equal to 0, because if y is equal to 0, then you will get the value of x is negative. So you just take any number. So for example, if y is equal to 20, then x is equal to 20 minus 6, which is equal to 14. Okay, now we have, this is 0, 6, and this is x, so this is 0, 6, and this is x is 14 and 20. So for 2, we have 0, 6, and 14 and 20. So the third one, y is equal to 4x. So we know when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So this is the first point. And the second one, you can take any value of y and x, but make sure it is within range. So we can see x largest can be 20. So for example, if you want x to be 20, so you just take any value, but make sure it's within range. So for example, if y is equal to 5, x is equal to 4 times 5, which is 20, still within the range. So we have 5 and 20. Now we can plot as we have the point. So this is for the first line, this is for the second line, and this is for the third line. So we have 30x plus 20y should be smaller than 900. So we have point of 10, 30 and 30, 10. So 10, 30. So tak perasan, 30 is larger than 20. So you have to find another value for x. So for example, if x is equal to 20, then 30, 20 plus 20y is equal to 900. So 20y is equal to 900 minus 600, which is equal to 300. Then y is equal to 300 divided by 20, which is equal to 15. So now we get, if x is 20, then y is 15. So we can take this point. So 20 and 15. So we have 10, 30. So we have 10, 30, 10 and 30. And we also have 20 and 15. So we have 10 and 30 and 20 and 15. So 10 and 30 is here, and then we have 20 and 15. So this is 20 and 15, which is here. And we have y minus x is larger than 6. So we have 0, 6 and 14, 20. So 0, 6 is, so 0, 6, 0 and 6. So 6 is, so 5 to 10 is 10 units. So 6 is 2 above 5. So which is here, 0, 6. And then we have 14, 20. So 14 and 20, which is here. So we have this line here. So make sure it is a straight line. Okay. And then the third line, y is smaller than 4x. So the point here is 0, 0 and 5, 20. So 5. So 20 is here. 20 and in the middle of 4. So this is here. So this is the graph. So we connect the line. So we connect So we connect the line. Okay, make sure the line is connected. So just connect. And I extend to make sure that the third line is intersecting each other. So we know this is first, this is second, and this is third. So this is the third line, this is the first line, and this is second line. So we know. So smaller than 900 means smaller means below the graph. So below the graph. Okay. And then the second one you see here, larger than 6. So larger means above the graph. So 2 should be above the graph. So 2 should be above 2. So which is this? Alright, above 2. And then the third one you see here. And then the third one you see here. Smaller than the graph. So smaller means below. Number 3 should be below. So you see here, we satisfy here. So this is the point which intersect the 3 line. So yeah, this is the shaded region. Alright. Calculate the maximum prawn mass need to be bought if 26 kg of squid is bought by Azim. So this one you can get from the graph. So squid is y, when y is equal to 26, what is the maximum x? And then for the second one, minimum expenses of Azim on a specific day. So minimum expenses. So for B1, if y is equal to 26, what is the maximum of x? So y 26, so this is 25. So we see here, 26 is 2 division above 25, so it's if it is 26. So you can see it will pass 2 points, which is so you will have 2 value of x. So maximum number is the second one. So you can see you will pull down the graph, which is equal to so 1 above 14. So this is 14.2 kg. So if he already bought 26 kg, so 26 kg, so he can buy 2, which is, this is the minimum, 2 kg. So we see here, this is the minimum number can be bought, and this is the maximum number can be bought. So 14.2 kg, if y is equal to 26, then he need to buy 14.2 kg of prawn, maximum number that can be bought, maximum number. So B2, so minimum expenses is the lowest within the intersection here. So you can see here is the lowest. So you can see if you pull down, x is equal to 2. So we have 2x plus. So this one is, if you see, if I pull it, okay, this is like 7 above 5. So we know that this one 2 cm. So we know that 2 cm is equal to 5. So 10 division is equal to 5 unit. So which means this one is 6. So 6 over 10 is equal to 5 kg. So 1 division is equal to 5 divided by 10 is 0.5 kg. So we have 7 here, which is 7 times 0.5, which is 3.5. 5 plus 3.5 is 3.5. So you will get 5 plus 3.5 is 8.5. So 2x plus 8.5y. So the minimum, so we know x is 30 ringgit. So 2 times 30 plus 8.5 times y is 20 is equal to Rm 230 ringgit.